Welcome to Third Language English 10th class YouTube channel. Lesson number 8. A scene from Shakuntala. 1 mark questions and answers. Question number 1. According to the two policemen, whom did the ring belong to? Answer. According to the two policemen, the ring belonged to the king. Question number 2. According to the policeman, what did the king think when he got the ring? Answer. According to the policeman, when he got the ring, the king thought that he loved somebody. Question number 3. When did the policeman arrest the fisherman? Answer. The policeman arrested the fisherman when he was trying to sell the ring in the marketplace. Question number 4. How did the fisherman support his family? Answer. The fisherman supported his family with the fishing trade. Question number 5. Who is Januka? Januka is one of the policemen. Question number 6. What did the chief of the police bring from the king? Question answer. The chief of the police brought a written order from the king. Question number 7. What reward did the king give to the fisherman? Answer. The king gave a bracelet as a reward to the fisherman, which was worth as much as the ring. Question number 8. Where did the fisherman live? Answer. The fisherman lived on the river Gangas at the spot where Indira came down. Question number 9. What did the fisherman get in the belly of a carp? Answer. The fisherman got a ring in the belly of a carp. Question number 10. Why did the policeman grab the fisherman at the marketplace? Answer. The policeman grabbed the fisherman in the marketplace because he was trying to sell a ring. Question number 2 marks questions and answers. Two marks questions and answers. Question number 1. How did the chief confirm that the gem was in fish's belly? Answer. The chief smelled the ring and confirmed that the ring was taken out from fish's belly. Question number 2. Why do you think the chief warned Suchaka not to be careless? Answer. The chief warned Suchaka not to be careless because he wants to take the ring which is with the fisherman to the king, and also he wants Suchaka not to allow the fisherman to run away. Question number 3. Why did the king give a reward to the fisherman? Answer. The king gave a reward to the fisherman because when the king saw the ring, he broke down for a moment and remembered someone whom he loved. Question number 4. How did the fisherman get the ring? Answer. Fisherman got the ring while he was cutting the belly of a calf. Extracts questions and answers. Question number 1. I live on the Gangas at the spot where Indira came down. A. Who said these words? Answer. The fisherman. B. Who does I refer to? Answer. The fisherman. C. Where did he live? He lived on the river Gangas at the spot where Indira came down. Question number 2. Wait here at the big gate until I come out of the palace and don't be careless. Who said these words? Answer. The chief. B. Who does I refer to? Answer. The chief. C. Why did he warn him not to be careless? Answer. Because he thought that the fisherman was trying to run away. Question number 3. When the king saw it, he remembered somebody he loves? A. Who said these words? Answer: the two policemen. B. What does it refer to? Answer: the ring. C. What did the king see? Answer: the king saw the ring. Question number 4. I owe you my life. A. Who does I refer to? Answer: fisherman. B. Who does you refer to? Answer: the chief. C. When did the speaker say so? Answer: the speaker said this when he was released. Question number 5. This man has come back to life. Who is the speaker? Answer: Sucheka. B. Who has come back to life? Answer: the fisherman. C. Why did he come back to life? Answer: because when the king saw the ring, he remembered somebody whom he loved and ordered to release him. Question number 6. Don't kill a man without any reason. A. Who said these words? Answer: fisherman. B. Whom did he say? Answer: Sucheka. C. When did he say? Answer: when Sucheka told that his fingers were itching to kill this pickpocket. 7. Here is a reward that the king was kind enough to give you. A. What was the reward? Answer: bracelet. B. Who did the king give it to? Answer: fisherman. C. Who does the word you refer to? Answer: fisherman. Question number 8. I am not guilty of such a crime. A. Who said this? Answer: fisherman. B. To whom was this said? Answer: the two policemen. C. From which lesson this extract is taken from? Answer: a scene from Shakuntala. Question number 9. My fingers are itching to kill this pickpocket. A. Who said this? Answer: Suchika. B. To whom was this said? Answer: Januka. C. From which lesson this extract is taken from? Answer: a scene from Shakuntala. Question number 10. Be merciful, kind gentleman. Who said this? Fisherman. B. Who are the gentlemen? The two policemen. C. From which lesson this extract is taken from? A scene from Shakuntala. To get more videos for other lessons, please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, download and share to your friends.